Hello guys, this is Sharafdin, KGS Computer Solutions. Today I will be showing us how to solve sound problem on our PC, Windows 10, Windows 11. So when you have sound issue, there are some troubleshooting steps you need to take to fix the sound issue. Let's say you have a laptop or you have a desktop computer with inbuilt speakers. Now let's see. Let's say we have this sound icon on your taskbar with X. Let's say there's an X on this sound icon on the taskbar. The first thing you would want to check is the sound output in control panel. Let's go to control panel, then search in the search bar, search for sound and come to change sound and change sound card settings. Now, under the playback option, we can see some sound devices here. We have speakers, we have headsets. Under the recording, we can see the microphones here. So check if there is any device under playback that is disabled. Check to confirm if there is anything disabled here. So if there is any disabled, let's say the speaker is disabled, you right click, then enable it. So this is disable option. If disabled, you enable. That's step one. Step two, you can, if it's not disabled and enabled and your sound is still not working, you can go for a sound troubleshooter. Just search for troubleshoot settings, then go to other troubleshooter, additional troubleshooter. Let's see what we have here. So you can see different ones. So we have plain audio. Just click on that and you can troubleshoot. Run the troubleshooter. Okay, that's step two. Then another option we can follow is go to device manager. Just right click on your start menu. Then you see device manager. Click on that. When you click on device manager, you want to confirm if the driver audio driver is okay and it's not having any issue. So you want to check if there is any amber sign here under device manager. So if there is none, so you can simply update the sound driver too. You can come to system devices here, just drop down, look for anything relating to sound. We have high definition audio controller. Some PC you will see Intel Smart Technology. So those are the two major drivers we used to have here. So here I have high definition audio controller. Right click on it, then go to update. Or you might want to go back if there was an update. Just come to properties, driver, then this rollback will be visible. Then you can click to go back. If you're not rolling back, you want to update, just click on update driver. Then go to browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from the list. Then you see the list of drivers here. You can just double click on the one you have here, then it's going to install. Okay, then another thing is you want to confirm your Windows is up to date. You just go to the Windows update in settings. Windows update in settings, just come here to confirm your Windows is up to date, especially the optional updates. You have to confirm they are all installed. Okay, so under the Windows update, you're going to see Windows is up to date or not up to date or install updates, then optional updates. Okay, so when you see the optional updates, then you're going to install the optional updates either for Windows 10 or Windows 11. All right, so those are the basic troubleshooting steps for sound on your PC. We talk about disabling or enabling the audio output, then running the sound troubleshooter, then updating the driver from device manager, running the troubleshooter, updating the audio driver, then confirming your Windows is up to date. Okay, so then you can also look for the PC model. Just search for MS Info system information, then look for the system model. The system model here, just copy the system model, then go to your web browser to search for the uh, driver. Let's say you have here, just paste it. Okay, copy the system information, MS Info system information here, and just see a system model. Then I come here, then paste. So we have that's the HP. Then just come to sound driver. So you want to go for the genuine website. So you go for the manufacturer website to download the driver. Okay. So that will be all for now for sound troubleshooting. Thank you very much and have a nice time. KGS Computer Solutions.